Routines. Once you've learnt lots of these skills, you can start to put them together into routines. We've come up with 2 for you, but you have a go at your own as well. This is our routine 1. So we start with an arabesque and we roll into our dish shape. You'll see how she cleanly joined one skill into the next with no extra shuffles or moves. And you'll see this long sit here. So she sat up straight from the dish, straight into the L sit. You then need to bring your hips up for this back support. Make sure you hold it for 3 seconds before lifting the leg. Hold that leg lifted there for 3 seconds. This is really tricky. Roll over into the front support. Remember your tight tummy and your bottom squeezed. To go cleanly into the splits, you bring your leg round straight. Sit up nice and tall and hold it for 3 seconds. And then bring the leg round straight. You'll see how tidy that looked. It made it really look like a smart routine. Place the hands and the feet straight away into the bridge shape. You're looking for the nice straight legs before you finish. Now you can finish in 2 ways. You can either kick over to finish, or we will show you as well the rolling backwards and forwards in a ball to finish. So from the bridge, I hope you enjoy having a go at routine 1.